unboxing and review Yongma SCM2021. Hi guys, this is Yongma SCM2021 with volume 0.7 liter. You can use this to cook and steam. Okay, let's open it. I bought it in Demangan Market, Yogyakarta on Saturday, February 27, 2020. The price of this is 440,000 rupiah. As you can see in this box, the inner pot is made from cold iron. The characteristic of cold iron material is not sticky. This Magicom has hanger type, steam pot, and one-touch button. Now, I will tell you the specification of this item name multi-purpose rice cooker type SMC 2021, electricity usage 220 volt and 50 Hz, power 280 watt when you cook and when you heat just 50 watt, capacity 0.7 liter, and the temperature 431 Kelvin. Okay guys, let's open the box. In the box, you will get warranty card with blue color. Product warranty is valid for 1 year. You also will get manual book. This manual book support in 3 languages: Indonesian, English, and Chinese. The color of this Magicom is red because I love red. You also get spatula with white color. And this is cable to connect the Magicom to electricity port. This Magicom has hanger so you can take it easily. Okay, this is the cup to measure the rice. Ta-da! This is the Magicom Yongma with series SMC 2021 with color red. The size is small but has multi-purpose. This is the one-touch button. You have to push down to cook. This is steam hole. This part will be hotter when you cook. And then this is the container of liquid. The liquefied gas will accommodate here. This is the part of cable. To open this Magicom, you just press the silver button and automatically the cover will open. This is the steam pot. This is the inner pot that made from cold iron. The cold iron has characteristic not sticky. You can open steam hole to clean it. The cover will be very hot when you cook, so be careful about this. You also can remove this container of the liquid to clean it. Now, let's try this magicom to cook some rice. Press the cover to close it. After you connect it to the electricity, press the one touch button, push down, and leave it. Wait until 30 minutes.
30 minutes later.
I saw the bubble and white liquid on the cover. I think I feel much water in the inner pot. Hahaha, oh my god, I feel much water to the inner pot, so I must mix this rice and leave until about 15 minutes, so I will get the best rice to eat.